Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy and today I brought you these two super gorgeous earrings. In this tutorial I'm going to prepare it in blue color. However, I prepared it in another color as well so you can see how it would look like. It doesn't require much of prior experience of crocheting and it doesn't require much of time either. It's extremely fast to make. And if you're ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in a Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I put the link below. And also if you would like to download this pattern, you can also do it by the link that I placed under this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials to make the earrings. I'm going to use this size 2 cotton yarn, 1.5mm crochet hook, 2 circles, they are like this ring, 2 centimeters in total, a yarn needle, stitch marker, and the earring hangers. I'm going to start by pulling over the yarn, chain 1. And now we will need to do 25 single crochet into the ring. I'm going to crochet over this excess yarn, which is gonna make the job much more easier. So I'm going to grab the yarn and pull through in both. Two, pull through in both. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 25. Now we can cut this excess yarn that we crocheted over till now. And now we're going to look for the first chain that we had in the round. Insert the crochet hook and do a slip stitch. Then chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the next chain. I like to put a stitch marker into the first chain so at least I understand where my round started. And then we need to do a single crochet. Then we need to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make a single crochet to the next stitch and pull over in both. Then we need to do a single crochet to the next chain. Then we need to chain 2, 1 and 2, then double crochet to the next stitch, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over and pull over the next 2, chain 1, and we are going to repeat it, double crochet to the next stitch, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, then chain 1, and again we are going to repeat the same step, so double crochet and then pull over in 2, and then chain 1, double crochet, pull over in 2 and chain 1, and we are going to continue like this till the end of the round, just before the stitch marker is. So double crochet and a chain 1 till here. We're gonna just stop just before the stitch marker. Now that we are done almost, we just need to have the last double crochet double crochets, sorry. So chain 1 and 1 more, the last one here, just before the stitch marker. And then now we will need to chain 1. We can actually remove the stitch marker. We don't need that anymore. So we need to chain 1. Then we will turn the work, and then in the first chain, have a look just here, we're gonna make a single crochet just like this. Then we need to chain 2, 1 and 2, and now we're gonna make front post double crochet between the stitches, under the stitches. So yarn over, have a look, this is our previous double crochet. So under the double crochet we insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn, pull over, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the next 2, then chain 1. We're going to repeat the same steps. So yarn over under the previous double crochet, yarn over, pull over in 2, and yarn over, pull over in 2, chain 1. Again, we're gonna go under the previous double crochet and then chain 1, and again we're gonna go under the double crochet, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, chain 1, and again under the chain, and we have to continue just like this till the end of the round. So now we are just about to finish this round. I have 1 more double crochet left here, so I'm going to do it together with you. So I'm going to first chain 1 and then under the double crochet insert the crochet hook, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2. Then we will need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then turn the work and have a look. In the previous round we have this double crochet, and between the double crochet, have a look, I'm gonna insert the hook so you can see it better. We need to insert the crochet hook there. If you're looking at it, you can see nicely there's a little hole there. So we need to pull over the yarn and do a slip stitch. And then we created this kind of loop here, and now we're gonna make 5 times single crochet into this loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Then have a look, we have to look for the next stitch, which is there, the top part of the previous double crochet there. So in the top we insert the crochet hook and make a slip stitch, then chain 4. Again, we're gonna repeat the same step. We're gonna look for the previous round's double crochet, the top part of the double crochet, insert it there and slip stitch. And then in this loop that we created, we're gonna make 5 times single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, have a look, we have to look for the next stitch, like the next double crochet top part, which is here. I'm gonna make a slip stitch there, then chain 4 again, And again, we are gonna look in the lower double crochets, the top part, insert there, slip stitch, and then in this loop we're gonna make 5 times single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the next stitch again, we are going to make a slip stitch, the next double crochet top, and then chain 4. We are going to continue like this till the end of the round. So here we are in the end and we need to chain 4, going to make the last stitches with you. And now in the end, have a look, this is our last double crochet. I'm gonna insert it here, going to make a slip stitch. Then we are gonna make 5 times a single crochet in this loop, just like we used to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now have a look here in the almost the same spot where we started this round, in here in the corner basically. Gonna grab the last chain, trying to get the better I can, so also that you can see this one. So the last chain, pull over and make a slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 1, leave some excess tail. We can now pull out the yarn and we are going to add the yarn needle. I'm going to have to fix it so at least it doesn't flip out. So we're gonna make a couple of stitches between the stitches. Make sure you don't interfere with the pattern, so you just do it between the stitches. Gonna make a couple of more stitches. And if you feel like, then you can cut the yarn. Now the last thing has left, we have to add the crochet hook, the hanger. I'm gonna just try to open it up a little bit. And then have a look, this is the front side, this is the back side. So we're going to add it that the front side is gonna be on the front. And then just squeeze a little bit so it's closing up. And one of our earring is ready, and don't forget to make another from this one too. So our gorgeous earrings just got ready, and I think it was such an easy process to make them, and I hope it was for you too. Please leave a comment below if I should improve something. I'm so open for any kind of feedback, really. And if you would like to show me how your earrings turned out, don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms as well. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorials very soon. Take care and see you soon.